Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've covered the basics of how weather impacts truck maintenance, let's get into some practical tips on how to keep your truck in top shape all year round. From winter snow to summer heat, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Preventative measures and best practices. Weather is unpredictable, but your truck maintenance doesn't have to be. Proactive steps can help shield your vehicle from damaging conditions, saving you money and downtime. By focusing on the right materials, technology, and storage methods, you'll set up your truck for long-term reliability, no matter the forecast. Using weather-resistant materials. Choosing weather-resistant materials isn't just about durability, it's about safeguarding your investment. Trucks face constant exposure to harsh weather, and without suitable materials, those elements can cause costly damage over time. For example, components like stainless steel and aluminum resist rust and corrosion better than untreated metals. These are especially important for areas like undercarriages and exhaust systems, which are frequently exposed to water, salt, and debris. Likewise, weatherproof coatings, such as polyurethane or epoxy coatings, add an extra layer of protection to vulnerable surfaces. Don't forget about tires. Seasonal tires designed for winter or summer provide optimal grip in their respective conditions. Adding UV-resistant treatments to exposed parts like wiper blades, seals, and exterior trim can also help these materials withstand the wear caused by the sun's harsh rays. Making material upgrades may seem costly initially, but they can dramatically extend your truck's working lifespan and reduce weather-related issues in the long run. Implementing advanced technology. Technology can be your best ally when it comes to tackling weather-induced maintenance. Modern trucks equipped with advanced tools can predict problems before they snowball into costly repairs. Telematics systems are a game-changer in this space. They monitor everything from engine performance to tire pressure in real time. During extreme weather, alerts can warn you if your engine is overheating in summer or if your tire pressure is dropping from the winter cold. Even better, some systems can track weather conditions in your travel area and adjust recommendations accordingly. For instance, smart sensors can detect moisture or freezing temperatures on surfaces, signaling you to take precautions. Engine health monitoring systems can adapt to weather changes, ensuring optimal performance in any condition. Remote diagnostics give fleet managers insights into weather-related wear, allowing quick action without needing a mechanic visit. Investing in these technologies doesn't just improve performance, it enhances safety and reduces the likelihood of breakdowns caused by weather extremes. Proper storage solutions. Where and how you store your truck can significantly impact how well it holds up against harsh weather. Proper storage acts as a shield, protecting against everything from blazing heat to icy storms. Here's what you can do to safeguard your trucks. Use covered or enclosed storage. A garage or storage facility keeps your truck safe from rain, snow, and UV damage. If that's not an option, invest in a heavy-duty weatherproof cover. Elevate parking areas. Avoid parking on surfaces prone to flooding, such as dirt or low-lying areas. Standing water can accelerate rust and harm electrical components. Install climate controls. In extreme temperatures, a controlled environment can prevent issues like frozen fluids or overheating. Additionally, regularly clean your truck, even while in storage. Dirt, salt, and ice can still accumulate and cause damage if left unchecked. A clean truck is a healthier truck, and proper storage ensures it stays ready for the road. Taking these steps shows that small preventative measures can make a big difference in combating weather's wear and tear. Cost implications of weather-related maintenance. Weather doesn't take a break, and neither should your truck maintenance plan. From high heat to freezing cold, changing conditions can hit your wallet hard if you're not ready. Repairs caused by weather wear and tear can add up fast, but with the right budgeting and preventative care strategies, you can stay ahead of surprise costs. Let's break down what it takes to keep those expenses under control. Budgeting for weather-related repairs. Weather-related truck maintenance isn't just an occasional expense, it's an ongoing one. If you don't account for it, you could face unexpected costs that drain your budget. The good news? Planning ahead reduces financial stress and keeps your truck on the road. Here's what to consider when allocating funds. Track seasonal expenses. Look at past repairs to spot patterns. Do you spend more on battery replacements in winter or cooling system fixes in summer? Use this data to predict future costs. Set aside a contingency fund. Weather is unpredictable, and repairs can come out of nowhere. A reserve fund dedicated to emergency fixes can save your budget. Factor in regional weather. Trucks operating in colder states will deal with more salt-related corrosion, while those in hot climates may need extra cooling system upkeep. Tailor your budget to match where your truck spends the most time. Include routine inspections. Spending a little on regular checkups up front can help catch weather-specific issues before they spiral into major repairs. Think of your maintenance budget like insurance. It's better to overspend a little now than face a massive unexpected bill later. Long-term savings through preventative care. Putting in preventative care might feel like an added expense, but it's the most cost-effective way to shield your truck from weather damage. Preventative measures help you sidestep costly repairs, lower downtime, and extend your truck's lifespan. Here's how you can save big with small investments. Invest in quality materials. Use rust-proof coatings, winter-specific wipers, and durable tires. It costs more upfront, but these items outlast cheaper alternatives, saving you replacement costs. Maintain the undercarriage. Road salt from icy conditions can quickly corrode metal parts. A wash after every snowstorm reduces the risk of rust buildup. Replace filters regularly. Dusty conditions clog air and fuel filters faster. By replacing filters more often, you maintain engine efficiency, which saves fuel. Switch fluids based on weather. Coolant and oil grades should align with hot or cold temperatures. This adjustment prevents component strain and early failure. Think of preventative care like a tune-up for your wallet. It may not be exciting, but it's what keeps your money from leaking out down the road. Spending strategically now saves you from paying triple the cost for repairs later. When it comes to weather-related maintenance, being prepared pays off. Budget wisely and stay ahead with preventative care to protect both your truck and your bottom line. Key takeaways. Incorporating seasonal inspection checklists allows for proactive maintenance. Each season presents unique challenges that require different attention. Tailoring maintenance can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. Regular fluid checks. Ensuring that fluids are suitable for the prevailing weather conditions is critical. Monitoring coolant, oil, and brake fluid levels protects internal components and enhances performance. Preventative measures. Investing in weather-resistant materials and technology simplifies maintenance efforts. It's about making smarter decisions that protect your truck from the elements over time. Cost considerations. Budgeting for weather-related repairs can help manage costs effectively. Setting aside funds and tracking seasonal expenses ensures you're prepared for unexpected repairs. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.